Hi, we found a way to make chocolate bars. Chocolate that is kind of bars in any shape that we want.
Yeah, you can even make art with it if you melt it enough.
Yep. That's Gavin's canvas. We emptied out the canvas.
Yeah, so it does look very messy because the last one we had was very messy, so.
Yeah, and this, don't ignore that. Hey,
Yeah, we got a little messy.
and also Happy Easter, everyone.
Hi!
Happy Easter.
Hi!
Stop saying hi.
I'm trying to make my art.
Okay.
Easy art.
Okay, we got it. Okay. Sorry, we're in the. Hi. Yeah. We're using ices as the freezing.
I'm gonna just have these. What? Alright. The big spoon. Yeah, big spoon. Yeah, big spoon. Yay, big spoon. Alright. What is it? Kara. It's sticky. Is this like ice? Yeah, it's ice.
I guess I'll have one.
This one is so solid.
Since you're having one, I guess I'll have one.
Uh-huh. That's how it works. It's a chocolate. Oh, what did I say?
I don't know. It's a gabadokin.
Moo.
Moo. You literally just said moo.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 12. Why did I just all of a sudden go from 90 to 20, 21, 22? No.
Okay, yeah, put the chocolate on your icy.
I'm not doing that. I'm just using it. You can slurp it up with some chocolate in it. That's all I want to.
Oh wait, look.
I want to make a chocolate treat. Oh, that's the wrong one.
Amigos.
I was looking for something